I need ChatGPT's help today because look at this. This is some mixed fruit I bought, and I think I've thawed it thinking I'm gonna eat it or brought it somewhere to do something with, and then it froze, and now it's like hard as a rock. And I really want to have some right now. I'm just craving fruit. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Here we go. I'm gonna start a new conversation. Here goes nothing. Here's how I operate. And I'm gonna say, oh, by the way, they moved the start a conversation button up there because I just upgraded the app. So be wary of stuff moves all the time. All right, so here we go. Hi, ChatGPT. What should I call you?
Hi, Laurie. You can just call me ChatGPT. But if you prefer something more personal, feel free to pick a nickname.
All right. Lori's working great, but I need your help. Can you see this bag?
Yes, I can see it. It looks like a bag of mixed fruit.
All right. Do you see it? And do you hear that?
I can see the frozen fruit. It looks like a mix of strawberries and peaches.
Well, here's the deal. Can you hear that? So I can't get any fruit out of there. It's frozen into one big block. What's the best way to get this so that I can get a chunk of fruit off of it? Any suggestions? Because I'm trying to break it. And
you might want to leave the bag at room temperature for a few minutes to let it thaw slightly. You can also gently tap the bag on the counter to break up the frozen chunks. If you need the fruit sooner, running the bag under lukewarm water can help speed up the process.
oh, that's a good idea. I could run it under lukewarm water and try that. And there's no issues, right? If I eat frozen fruit that was defrosted and then just totally froze up again before I open the bag?
It should be safe to eat. Just make sure the fruit looks and smells fine. Freezing and thawing can sometimes change texture, but generally doesn't cause safety issues if handled properly.
I always appreciate your amazing advice, and I'm gonna go eat some fruit. All right, proof it's working. Can you see that? And then what I did is I warmed up some Hershey's Kisses, and watch this. Oh my God, it is so good. I forgot to ask one more question. What do I do with the fruit that's left?
You can seal the bag tightly and store it back in the freezer. You might also consider using a freezer bag or container to help prevent it from clumping together again.
All right, I'll try it.